Hey everybody! So this week my great Aunt Becky is in town and she knows how to make an amazing 4-ingredient pie crust. So she taught me and now I'm going to teach you. You combine that with the cherry pie recipe from my grandmother on my mom's side and you will have one wicked awesome cherry pie.
Let's begin with a medium-sized mixing bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of flour. Add 1/3 cup vegetable shortening. We'll use a fork later. Let's add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Salt it! Next, use a fork to cut the shortening into the flour until pea-sized lumps begin to form. If you have a pastry cutter, go ahead and use that. Next, let's add water in small increments and mix it until it has roughly the consistency of pizza dough. If the dough ends up being too sticky, add a small amount of flour back into it. And if it's too dry, you can always add small increments of water. Now take it and roll it into a ball. Lightly dust your space with flour so that way the dough won't stick to the surface. Place the dough ball on the dusted surface and dust both your rolling pin and the dough again with flour to make sure they don't stick. Roll the dough ball out from the center and dust it with more flour if you need to. Next, delicately fold the rolled dough in half and then fold it again into fourths. This way we can pick it up without it breaking. Spray or grease your pie plate. Place the dough inside the pie plate and unfold it until it takes up the entire circle. Next, let's trim the edge of the dough back to about 1 inch and then fold it up underneath itself. This way we can pinch or twist the edging into our favorite design, or you can just play around with new ideas. Fill the crust with your favorite pie filling like my grandma's cherry pie, cook, and enjoy! Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and let's get social. Follow me on social media at NextKicks21. Follow along and I'll see you here next time.